Good morning, everyone. This is video number 1 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video, we are starting our course with two simple functions. They are sum and average. Sum function. These functions adds numbers in a certain range. Syntax is very simple. Equal and some word, and between two phrases, you tell a range or an array or a set of numbers where you want to Excel to add these numbers. Average function. This function returns the average of a given set of numbers. Syntax is very similar to sum function. Now, let's see a case study, which means let's see the sum and average functions in Excel sheet. Here we go. We have an array of 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to give it their sum and their average. Their sum, as discussed before, equal sum, and between two parentheses, I say I want to add these numbers. Close parentheses, press enter. They are 50. As you can see here, their sum is 50. For average function, I say equal average. Between two parentheses, I say the same range and enter. The average is 3. If I select the range again, we can see the average here is 3. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in the next